What's up, beautiful people?
I am so excited. We're trying to be really quiet right now because we have a special surprise for our kids.
So if you need to turn your volume up a little bit, that's okay.
We're trying to be quiet. Most of the kids are still at school, and as soon as they get off of the bus, we are going to be heading to Atlanta because we're going to be celebrating Lunar New Year.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, Nashville doesn't have a lot of stuff to do for Lunar New Year up here, but Atlanta has so much, and so we found this place. There's an Asian market. There's all these incredible Chinese restaurants that we ate at. When Amanda and I went down last year, we're like, oh my gosh, we've got to bring.
We brought some back for the kids, and Penelope was like, oh, it's like really authentic. Rinke just woke up from a nap, so he's a little groggy still. He's got a fidget spinner that he's that's so funny.
But we do have a really big surprise because, you know, Lunar New Year is all about all of the family being together, and so obviously we're going to be FaceTiming with Penelope's family and all of that back in China. But there was one person who was going to be missing. And it was breaking our hearts.
Reese has only been gone for a couple of weeks, guys, but we have missed her terribly, and she's been calling us every night. She's like, I just miss you guys so much. So she actually called yesterday, and she's like, what if I drive up and I meet you guys and we surprise the kids? It's going to be such a good surprise. Ready to go. So we are going to be celebrating this weekend. It's going to be so much fun, but I can't wait to see. Yeah, you got it. I can't wait to see the look on the kids' faces when we get there this evening. We got to load up the car because the kids are going to be home in just a minute. And then we'll go.
Let's go. Whoosh!
Oh my gosh.
Hey, you want to go to Atlanta?
Oh, you got him. This is the year of the tiger, and it kind of looks like he's riding a tiger right now.
You riding the tiger? Do you got the eye of the tiger?
Oh,
you want to show you? I'll show you. Watch. Here it goes. Boo! Wow. That's so cool.
Slow down.
Slow down.
There you go.
Any other fan travelers out there? You just can't sleep without the fan?
You have to have your fan.
I am a fan man.
I like the noise, but I don't like it to be cold.
I like it.
Yeah. So cold. You guys ready to go? Yeah. Happy Lunar New Year.
It's not here yet.
Not yet, but really close.
We're close.
Super close.
Weekend. Happy weekend.
It's snowing outside, y'all.
I know. Crazy. More snow.
Alright, but first, coffee. Although I am slightly jealous of you because you got a Christmas cup and I got a regular cup.
Ball.
Ball.
Okay, hi guys. So I'm in Atlanta. I'm at the Airbnb right now. Basically I was on the phone with my mom last night and was just kind of talking about how much I missed the whole family. And later on in the conversation, she was like, well, I really wish you were coming to Atlanta with us this weekend. And I was kind of just like, why not? And she was like, what? Like, I think she thought I was joking. But I was like, I don't have work until Tuesday. Like, I could just drive tomorrow and see you guys. And so yeah, I got up this morning. I drove 8 hours from South Florida to Atlanta, and I'm now at the Airbnb. The kids have no idea I'm here. They literally, this is a complete surprise to them. I was talking to my parents, they know about it, but my siblings have no clue. I was just texting my sister, and she has no idea at all. She's like, I really miss you and I can't wait to see you next week, because she's coming to Florida next week. And so like they literally, it's gonna be like a complete surprise. And so I'm so excited about this. And I'm so excited to see them and hug all of them. And like, yeah, the road trip like blew by just because I was I was so excited. And I just kept thinking about like, how am I gonna surprise them? Where should I be when they walk in? Like, what should I do? So yeah, I'm so excited, and they're gonna be here soon. And yeah, let's see, hopefully the reactions are good. Hopefully they're excited to actually see me. So I think the plan is that I'm going to sit on the bed and shut the door, and the girls will come in here and they'll see me, and maybe I'll make like a reference to something that like we joke about or something. I don't know. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do yet, but I think that's the plan. And then hopefully they'll be like, Reese, and then the boys will hear and they'll run in or something. I don't know the logistics of everything yet, but yeah, I'm so excited.
We made it.
This probably looking nice.
Yeah, it looks really pretty. Look at how pretty these doors are. What do you guys think? Should we do some doors like this in our new house?
Oh, yes.
Yes, that sounds really
Especially
It's amazing.
Oh, it's so pretty. I know. I want a door like this. I want a door like this in the new house.
And
look, they have some
Oh, they're gonna borrow by. That's nice. Isn't that so sweet? This is so pretty.
Ooh, look at the fireplace.
Yeah.
It's a double-sided fireplace.
Yeah, it goes into the dining room too. That's so cool. What do you think, Lincoln? Is it so cool? Wow.
It's nice that they had all the lights turned on for us. You know?
Yeah, I know. It's so thoughtful. This is such a cool place.
And they left us some Shake Shack.
Oh, that's probably from the previous people.
Okay, they just got here. I think they're about to walk into the Airbnb, so I'm waiting for them to come upstairs, but I want to film their reaction.
Get your booty up here. Oh, I missed you so much. I'm so glad you're here.
I'm so glad
Oh my gosh. Oh,
I thought it was a red
so happy. She just thought there was like. Dog pile. Aww. Aww. I know, right? Sister's here. Yeah, he's grown like 3 feet today. I don't know if he's more excited to see himself or Reese.
He's like, Reese is awesome, but
Reese is great, but I'm better. Aww.
So kept quoting you grow up.
Yeah.
Ethan has been saying a lot recently.
I know, you're going like dog pile. No, I was like, I walked in, I just hear Kira screaming, and I walk in the door, she just jumps under.
oh, the boys are downstairs and they're like, someone left Shake Shack in the fridge.
Yeah, we're like, yeah, the owners of this place are really nice. Really thoughtful. Sour cream candies.
I was such a cute room.
Yeah,
We
this is
really
cute.
fully explored it.
Yeah.
I knew that Reese was upstairs, so I was
Yeah.
like, let's go check out the room.
Yeah.
I didn't realize the girls had already gone upstairs, and I knew she
Yeah,
was up here,
we
so I was
just heard
like
them
racing.
screaming.
I
literally was like racing.
when they came in.
Oh, you did? Okay, yay.
That's awesome.
Oh no, my reaction was horrible.
Your reaction was horrible.
No, literally, I open the door, I get so confused. I hold on, that's a person? And I was like, wait. I was gonna open the other door first, and she goes, wait, let's open this door first. And so like I went over there, and she already reopened it, and she goes, what? And then like starts to like run.
So funny. That's a pretty good surprise, that guy.
Yesterday I was driving home from work and I just like missed you guys so much. So I was on the phone with Mom. I was like, I really miss you. And then we like FaceTimed later that night, and she was like, I wish you were coming to Atlanta. Yeah. And I was like, why not? I don't have work until Tuesday. So I got in the car this morning and drove 8 hours.
Yeah. And we were like, you know.
8 hours. So happy she's here.
Yeah. And we were like, you know, Chinese New Year is about family being together. You know, you have to be together. So Reese is all about it. She's like, come on. I love it.
It actually went by really fast though.
Yeah, that's good. I'm glad. That's good.
Yeah.
Wow. Dude, this bunk bed is amazing. It's a 3-banger. We got the trundle bed, the big, and then wow.
So with the 3 girls, we might need to either put the girls in here or else maybe take this extra mattress in there.
Yeah, just take the extra mattress.
Just take the extra mattress.
The girls will sleep in there. The big mattress, so then we have 2 beds in there.
Ethan wants to sleep in
Yeah, we
here
can do
with
that.
me.
Oh yeah?
A huge bed up here.
That's a very large bunk bed.
That is a big bed.
Bro, we need to get this.
I know, right? Well, we're talking about building something kind of like this, but it would be like your desks underneath, and it would be built in.
Yeah.
And both of you guys would have like nice kind of, yeah. Yeah, that's huge.
Here's the master bedroom.
This is the master?
Look what they have in the
Wow.
master bedroom.
No way.
Oh my gosh, y'all.
This is my dream to have.
We are literally doing something like this in our master bedroom, and I can't wait because I just
Absolutely. Nice bed here. This is just gonna be a big Reese hug fest this weekend.
No, we will hug all night. Like
You're gonna hug all night. Just the
Now
girls.
your business.
Yeah.
Balcony.
Yeah. There's apparently like a really cute little creek back here.
Well, there's like a river and a really cool little bridge, but you can't see it right now. But it's
But you can hear the water,
yeah, you can.
except for that there's screaming children in there.
Right. But we'll show this on the next vlog because we're gonna go and close this thing out now.
Are we?
And just enjoy seeing our daughter.
I was texting Kira in the car, and I was like, I really miss you. I can't wait to hang out with you next week. And she was like, yeah, it's gonna be so fun. I miss you. I was like, let's FaceTime once you get to, you're going to Atlanta this weekend, right? And she was like, yeah. I was like, okay, well, let's FaceTime when you get there. We're really FaceTiming right now.
Actual FaceTime.
Wow! FaceTime.
I'm so glad you came.
Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and close this out so that we can just hang and have fun with Reese the rest of this evening. And tomorrow we're gonna be celebrating Chinese New Year, so that's gonna be really awesome. But for now, we're just gonna say bye.
Bye,
Bye. We love you guys. Bye guys.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back